Hey guys, this is just a quick update video. So I know I keep saying I want to get this Nitro going and I've been having problems with it. Yeah, it's completely dead. The motor in it is like backfiring out of the exhaust here. You can see it's all nasty and gross. It's not sucking fuel through, it's got no compression, and today it decided to spin backwards and actually rip the pull starter out. So pull starter's completely dead on it, so I'm going to try and drill start it, see if that does anything, but if drill starting it doesn't work, then it's time to retire this Nitro entirely. Might have to just put a whole new engine in it, I reckon. Get an entirely new exhaust system, because you can see it shouldn't be glistening like that. That means that there's something coming out of these gaps here, it's coming out of here. I actually recently replaced all of this here, this tubing, but yeah, it's just got no compression. I fixed the high-speed needle, put a new air filter on it, run a tank of fuel through it. It started, then the second I accelerated, it just destroyed the pull starter. Like, I don't even know how it's done it, but I'll order a new engine for it, but if putting a new engine on this doesn't work, then it'll be time to retire my old Nitro and get a new one. Haven't really had a lot of luck with the Nitros at the moment. That one that I bought recently that I had to send back because it was just broken out the box and didn't work. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed that this one's finally decided to cark it on me, because this has had so much use. I've had this one for so long. I've done so much work on it. Like, you can see here, these back shocks that are black and these front ones that are red, because I replaced those. This is a different mount for those that I bought. Tires have been replaced on this. Like, they're not really all that bold still. These are semi-new tires. A lot of parts in this have been upgraded and changed over the while I've had it. I've had all the tools out today. I've pulled out so many screws. I've been pulling this thing apart and reassembling it for the last couple of days, trying to get it to run, but it's just becoming a losing battle. I just don't understand why it doesn't have any compression. The exhaust manifold, I recently changed all the little bits and pieces in there, the carbs and stuff. So I'll buy a new engine for it, and I'll mount a new engine to it. But if putting a new engine in this doesn't work and doesn't fix any problems, then it's time to say goodbye to this one. And I'm really sad if I do have to retire this and turn it into more of a shelf queen. Like, the Fox Traxxas is currently, I don't want to drive this until I buy a body for it that I can do myself, because I really don't want to damage this body, like, at all. But yeah, a little bit disappointing, but this is what I've been working on for the last couple of days, just trying to get this to run, and it just won't. So, very upset about that, honestly, but hey, we're all here on this channel to see some RC cars. Like, I do want to, this is my first ever RC, hobby grade RC I should say. Looks very different to the video I uploaded the other day from a few years ago. Like, body shell's all messed up on it, the light bar's been completely ripped out of it. Tires still pretty good though, I still haven't had to use a spare. But yeah, so that's the update of this Nitro, but stay tuned because I've got plenty more RCs coming up. As you can see, I've got the boxes there. I've got plenty more RC cars to go around. The Bandit, I do want to get my other Traxxas out. That's my first Traxxas, the Bandit. But yeah, so that's just a quick update of the situation here with this Nitro. But stay tuned, because I've got plenty more RCs to go around. Plenty more footage to upload. So yeah, this is going to be a huge project now. I'm going to be working on this off camera for a very long time, trying to get this to work. But if the next Nitro you see on this channel is not this Warhead, then that means I've had to buy a new one. So I'll be working on this one off camera for quite a while now. and I will continue to work on this until I can either A, get it running, or B, it's just completely gone and I can't do anything. So yeah, this is a quick update, and I'll see you in an upcoming video shortly on this channel.